Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on creating a course with Squarespace website member areas. The process is very simple and easy. In this video, I will be guiding you through how you can use Squarespace to create a course with Squarespace member areas. Let me just tell you that Squarespace is a powerful platform for building the websites, and it has the member areas feature, which makes it easy to create and manage the membership sites. This feature was not available for the previous users, but now it is available and has so many users. With Squarespace Member Areas, you can create a course, or you can also create the membership site that is going to help you deliver valuable content to your members. You can access control to your content, to your manage member roles, and accept the payments for your course. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to set up the member area, how you can create the course content, and manage the member access. Whether you are an educator, an entrepreneur, or a small business manager, Squarespace Member Areas can help you create a successful online course and get the best out of it for the membership sites. So let's just get started. First thing first, what you need to do is go to your squarespace.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password, and after that it will direct you to your homepage or to your dashboard this way. Now if you're a previous user, you must know that how you need to create the site where you will be able to attach the course to your site. And if you are a newbie, then you must know how to create the website by following a few simple steps and clicking on Create Website. And after that, it is going to help create the website for your users. So first of all, let's just click on Create Website. For the newbies, click on Create Website. And after that, it is going to ask, what's your website about? So let's just choose, hello? कौन बात कर रहा है? नहीं. Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on creating a course with Squarespace member areas. So in this tutorial, I will be teaching you guys how you will be able to attach a new course to your Squarespace website. Squarespace is a powerful platform for building websites, and its member areas feature make it easy to create and manage membership sites. With Squarespace Member Areas, you can create a course or membership sites that delivers the valuable content to your members. So you can control access to your content to manage your member roles, and you can also accept the payments for your courses as well. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to set up the member area, then how you can create the course content and manage member access. Whether you are an educator, an entrepreneur, or the small business owner, Squarespace Member Areas can help you create the successful online courses and your membership site. So let's just get started. The process is very simple and easy. What you need to do is go to your squarespace.com, and you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password. And after you're done logging in or signing up, this is the type of the dashboard that must appear on your screen. And if you are a previous user and you know how to create the website, then you must have created one. And when you create the site, you need to go to your dashboard. All the sites appear over here. you need to go to your website and you need to follow the further steps. But if you are a newbie and you don't know and you haven't created any website yet, then you must create the website first. You need to go to your create website. I'm going to give you the quick introduction so that it would be easy for all the users to know how to create the site and then attach the course content with that. Okay, so you have to follow the 3 simple steps. What's your site about? It could be about photography, design, education, consultation, art, and much more. Let's just say mine is about design. I'm going to click in the design, or I'm going to click in next. What do you want to do with your website? Build a community, sell on-demand videos, sell online courses, sell products, and send invoices, collect donations, showcase work and expertise. You can choose whatever you want. The third, the last, and the most crucial step is that how would you like to start building your website? You can choose the Blueprint AI, and you can also choose the designer templates. You know, the difference between the both is that Blueprint AI is going to ask you a few simple questions, and after that it is going to help you create a new template, and it is going to help you start something from the scratch. But if you don't have any idea of your own, and if you don't have much time and you are not looking for something much of a labor route, then you can choose the designer templates, because Squarespace is going to help you offer the type of the templates according to the questions that you have answered. So you can choose any one of these. Let's just say I'm choosing this one. You know, it has given me 31 templates. So this was the last and the final step. You can click on start with the design, and after that it is going to set the things up for you. So this was very easy. You see, you had to follow 3 simple steps in order to create the account. Now you have created your account. Now you can edit your site by going to the site editing. Here you need to edit your site, but you know, this is just a video. This video is just for the sake of the video, so I don't think so I need to make any necessary changes, because it does not make any sense. But to you guys, it is very important. You need to edit your site. You need to edit the site name and etc. For me, after attaching the course, you need to navigate to your left handle. Here you see the option of website. Click on this. Here you see the option of pages. You know, adding the course through the member area in Wix.com is much similar to adding the blog pages to your Wix website. Here you see there's an option of main navigation or not linked account. You can go click on main navigation here. There are so many options. You need to go to your collections. Here you see the option of course. You can also do the same process to your not linked account as well. Now it is going to give you some templates. You know, selecting a template for your course overview page. They are organized into the course overview pages and individual lesson pages. Your content would be ready. So this is going to give you some templates the way they give the templates for the blog pages as well. This is how they're going to help you create the course, including the member areas, course content, configuring the member roles and access, and managing payments and the subscription as well. It is going to take a few minutes or a few seconds, because this is, you know, much of a heavy site, so it might take a few minutes and test your patience, but you need to be patient. So, you know, this is how you're going to add the course. Then you need to set the pricing plans. It might take a second. Let me just open a new site for you guys that it would be easy for us to navigate. Okay, so I go to the not linked account here. I go to my courses. Here you see it has given me some templates like course 1, template for course 1 for the other courses as well. Let's just say I'm choosing this course 1. And yeah, this is the course 1 not linked account course 1 template. You are going to name it. Let's just say I name it My Design. My Design course. Now you can make the necessary changes by going to the add pricing plans. You can monetize your course the same way you monetize your blog page. Now you can create the pricing plan here. You can change the name. You can give the brief, description. You can add the description of your own. Now there are some benefits that you can add here that are going to be appearing, and you can add the fixed amount. You can add the payment option here. You can add the subscription, or whether it is free or requires the subscription, or you can also choose that if it requires the subscription, then you can enter your fee. And yeah, there is a sign up limit that you must choose and all this. I'm going to cancel these pricing plans. As I said, this video is just for the sake of the video, but let's just move to the other step, course overview. This is how my course overview is going to look. Now I'm going to go to my course content here. There is lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 1 chapter, and you see there are different chapters, and in each chapter there is a lesson. You can also edit the chapters. You can also organize your, you can organize your course lessons. You can create the course content. And in this way, you will be able to add and completely edit and customize and give final touches to your course content. There was the course overview, course content, and the add pricing plan. After you are done, you can simply go preview it by the desktop mode or by the mobile mode, or you can also change the style site. Okay, so this is how you're going to add your course through the membership area and customize it. You have created the course with Squarespace Member Areas. It was very easy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.